Hey there, welcome back to Sustained Wellness with Mel and Mindy. So in keeping with our current theme of stress management, we're really going to home in on the area of revision, exams, the stresses that come along with that. And I'm coming to you with 4 tips to help manage that stress. So number 1 tip is planning. Now we all love creating the diary of revision. That's the exciting part, it's the doing it that we don't like. But I would suggest maybe making a list of contents, topics that you need to cover. Schedule certain things in that are a priority. So maybe prioritise areas that you struggle with and make them feature more within your plan. Also, I would recommend doing more active learning. So what I mean by that is not just passively reading. Maybe putting those summaries of what you're reading in your own words so it makes them much easier for you to digest.
And the other thing you can do when it comes to revising and active learning is you can get some bullet points on a card, like those cue cards that you can get, and just write out the main points that you need to remember. And then what I really like to do is get different colour pens. You can get 5 different colours, red, green, blue, whatever, pink, and underline with a ruler as you read the bullets, the notes out loud. Underline, go first in red, second in blue, third in whatever colour. And then as you say that out aloud, your words carry a vibration and they're going to enter into your subconscious mind a lot faster than if you were just reading it in your head. The other thing you can do is, if you're not a visual person, that worked really well for me, but not everyone's a visual person, and you like to listen better, you can record the main points on your phone, on your voice notes, on a dictaphone if you don't have the phone, and just play it in the background when you're pottering around, when you're doing other things. Just have it playing, because one, you'll hear the sound of your own voice, which you trust and know, and it will just be filtering in on your walks to school, on your walks around. So give it a go.